Hi, hello, good morning. Today is Monday morning, and I'm going to do another What I Eat in a Day video for you. And today's emphasis is going to be how I prioritize protein to really support my hormones and my muscles and all the things. So I am going to start out with, sorry, I'm moving around a lot, and I look fabulous right now. Fabulous. I'm going to start off with a pre-workout. It's currently 4:20 in the morning, 4:21 to be exact. And I just grabbed some boiled eggs and some hummus out of the refrigerator along with my, wait for it, my lemon water. So I prepared this last night. I had some with my evening supplements, and now I'm going to get myself ready for the gym. Ooh, my arm is burning. Okay. Grab my supplies here. So I'm just grabbing my scale because I do weigh all of my food. I count my calories, I track my macros. I could talk more about that in a different video. But for now, let's talk about this. Oh, my arm. Okay, so in the morning, as usual, I start with my lemon water. It really helps just to rehydrate me. There's some minerals and goodness going on in the lemon juice. Water, so good for you, but I do find that it hydrates me so well. It also helps to just flush some toxins out and, make the liver happy and all the things. So my typical pre-workout snack, meal, whatever that I've been having for, I don't know, like the last month or so, maybe a couple months, is a couple of boiled eggs and some hummus. This is my favorite hummus right here, the Ithaca lemon garlic. There's really clean stuff in here, and that is what I'm gonna have. So I track all of my things in Macro Factor. I've talked about Macro Factor, like it's been a while since I talked about them, but I do track everything in there. It just helps me really to know everything I'm taking in, which is incredibly important. I know counting calories and tracking macros is not for everyone, and that is totally fine. I used to be that girl that said, no, it's not for me. That seems like an enormous waste of time, a time suck. And then I started doing it, and it helped me from the jump. It is incredible to really see in black and white what you're consuming in a day. And I don't necessarily mean like the foods you're consuming, but the amount of calories and macros that you're consuming. So it's just been really helpful in that way for me to stay on track and to really, really make sure that I'm getting in all of the protein that I need to support my body, my muscles, the workouts that I'm doing. It is all incredibly important. It's great for hormones. And I will tell you, one of the first things I noticed when I started consuming the right amount of protein for me, even when I started this and I was on a caloric deficit, one of the first things I noticed is that my sleep improved by leaps and bounds. I've had so many issues with sleep over the years, and this helped significantly. Like, I can't even tell you. So I have my eggs, I have my hummus, and this is all I literally do. I take my hummus, I spread it onto my little eggs like this, and then I just devour. So let me do that because we got to get out of here. So I'm going to finish getting ready. We're going to head out to the gym, and then I will be back to show you my breakfast and the rest of my day. We are officially back from the gym, and I am so happy couldn't come at a better time because I'm very hungry. So for breakfast this morning, I'm going to improvise. I typically have a larger breakfast with like a breakfast sausage and all the things, but we're waiting on groceries to be delivered. So here's the finished product. I have my Yukon Gold potatoes at the bottom. I don't know if you can see them right there. And then I have 3 eggs on top that I cooked with a little bit of coconut oil. And I sprinkled some, what are these called? Black sesame seeds on top. So those are really good for the hormones, hormone balance, and all the things. And then for my drink this morning, I have 32 ounces of water with a watermelon element inside and some creatine. Our Whole Foods order just arrived, so let me walk you through everything we got in this delivery. So I'm going to start with our wild blueberries. We use these guys in smoothies, oats, in our yogurt bowls in the evenings, so many things, and they are so delicious. Then I have some Cocoa June yogurt. I've actually been reaching a lot for the Kalina. If you can see it in the background, that container is empty and they were out this week. So I got the Cocoa June, which I also like very, very much. I just find the Kalina to be a little thicker and creamier. Some peeled garlic, because if I can make life a little easier, why not? I have some cooked beets. I love to put these in salads. The beef sausages, I love these. They are really clean. This is typically what I have for breakfast, so I make these in advance, just give them a little seasoning and all the things, and that is what I have. We have some ribeye steaks. I love a ribeye. If you are trying to stay on the leaner side, this is not the steak to reach for because this one is fattier, but I love, love, love this. I have some turmeric root and some ginger root. So I really love making a tea out of these. Great for inflammation, great for digestion and all the things. Some organic onions because, you know, onions are life. Some sweet potatoes. We go through a lot of sweet potatoes in our house, and I just made a big batch yesterday. We put some in the fridge, we put some in the freezer, but I will definitely be doing this again, maybe tomorrow, who knows. A couple of whole chickens. I love whole chicken. I will season these guys up, leave them in the fridge for 1 or 2 days, and then I will cook them in the air fryer. You've seen me do that before, but it's just my favorite way, and it ends up really nice and crispy, full of flavor. Fantastic. Some chicken breast. I have been loving doing these with a panko breading, cook them in the air fryer with a little olive oil on top. So good. Some Celtic sea salt, some coconut cream, these little tomatoes, these flavor bombs are amazing. The flavor is seriously, I mean, they are flavor bombs, as the name says. A couple of avocados, some tomatoes on the vine. I love these. They have a little bit of sweetness, but they're so great for, I mean, all kinds of things. And then my lemons, because I live and die by lemons. I love them. So this is our haul for the week, and there you have it. So it's been a little while. I've been just sitting in my studio getting some work done. It's like 9:40 right now. I'm about to head out to go to a meeting. I have a big filming project coming up. So we're meeting on the regular, lots and lots of ground that we have to cover. Before I leave, I am feeling snacky, and I think I'm going to make a protein shake to take with me. So let me just pack myself up here because, you know, we need to go. We got stuff to do. My favorite protein powder is Truvani. I love her like crazy, and that's what I'm going to use right now. I have it. I have this chocolate flavor that is one of my faves, and I will show you exactly how I hook this up. So let me just grab my essentials. So I'm going to do 1 scoop of the protein powder. And the thing I love about this protein powder is that it's really clean, and so it doesn't have any negative impacts on me, which I love because, you know, I am trying to be a careful girl here. I don't want to inflame my body. I don't want to upset my hormones. I don't want to do any of those things. So this has this is everything in it. It's organic pea protein, alkalized cocoa, organic vanilla powder, organic pumpkin seed, organic
monk fruit extract, and organic chia seed protein. That is all that's in here. I love it so much. So I'm just going to do 1 scoop of that. I am going to shake in my cinnamon, and I don't measure the cinnamon at all. I go in because I love cinnamon and it's flying all through the air, and that's okay. But chocolate and cinnamon is just delicious. Then I'll do some cracks of pink salt because that's salty sweet. But I do really love this, especially like I said today, because I have been retaining a lot of water. I don't know what is going on, what I have been eating that's doing that to me. Oh, I know what it is. We haven't been walking. That's right. It has been so cold out that we have been skipping our walks. So that's the walk we take our girls on, and it's the walk that my husband and I go on together. So we walk quite a bit in a day, but because it's been so cold, we have not been getting those steps in. And when I do not walk on a regular basis, I am like a freaking sponge. So let me put some water in here, give this gal a shake, and BRB. When I found Truvani, I was really just searching for something to help supplement my days. I found it really hard to consume all of the protein that I needed without going over on my carbs and my fats, because I have been tracking my calories and my macros. And so my husband was the one who suggested a protein powder. And when I found this, the heavens opened up, the angels sang loudly. I was so happy because this is a complete protein, which means it has all of the essential amino acids that you need. And it does, in my opinion, taste good. I typically don't love the flavor of a protein powder, but Truvani has not failed me. So it was heaven sent. And now that I have the hang of getting the right amount of proteins in and how to do that, I feel so much better. I don't have nearly as many protein shakes as I used to have, but I still have them on occasion. And today is, like I said, the perfect time to do this because I am feeling snacky. But instead of having something that I'm going to eat, I think the best course of action right now is to have something that's also going to hydrate me, but give me the protein and all the wonderful things. So I'm going to put my mess away and I'm going to get out of here, go to my meeting, and then I will see you back here for lunch. It is now like 11:55 in the morning. That meeting that was supposed to take an hour went close to 2 hours, but that's okay. We covered heaps and heaps of ground. This project that we have coming up is exactly 1 month out from today. So lots and lots of work that we have to get done, but I am so excited. That is not why we're here though. We're here because it's lunchtime. So today, I think I am going to have, I know I'm going to have some leftovers because that's just the life I'm living. But I think I'm going to have some chicken, rice, and a little bit of the red lentils I made, I think like 2 days ago. Yeah, we're doing a leftover life. So I said at the beginning of this video that I am really prioritizing my protein, which is the point of today's vlog. This is how I am able to consume so much protein. So my goal in a day is 150 grams of protein. That is my floor, which is my minimum. Anything beyond that is just icing on the cake for me. Let's get our leftovers out and I will get that stuff prepped. So this is all stuff that I have made. I have food prepped all of this, and it's one of the reasons why I love prepping my food, all of my meals, because then when it's time to eat, it is as easy as just grabbing things out of the refrigerator, heating them up, and we're ready to go. So let me show you what I'm working with right now. So I have some rice here. I made this yesterday, and this is in a food prep video, but I've made this rice. I make this rice all the time. It's just basmati rice, and instead of using water as a liquid, I use chicken bone broth. So that is that. I have some leftover red lentils in here, and in here there's also like a shredded up chicken breast that I had like a couple days ago. So red lentils and that. And then in here I have some air fried whole chicken. So I'm going to do a chicken thigh out of here and put all that together. So as soon as I do that, I will show you what my lunch looks like and we're going to eat. BRB. Lunch is served. I am so hungry and so excited. So I have the basmati rice. I have the red lentils with a little bit of chicken breast in there. The black seeds on top are black sesame seeds, so good for happy hormones. So I always add them to my breakfast. I'm trying to remember to add them to other meals. So today is one of those times when I did remember. And then I have the air fried chicken thigh. I was about to call it a chicken breast. And this is my lunch.